This is not a foreign destination. This beautiful place is in India. This pretty place is in Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. We are inside a garden, Badam Wari, Almond Alcove. Let us move around and watch this beautiful, spectacular, magnificent garden. The Badam Wari is one of the prettiest places in Srinagar, especially during spring season, that is March-April. Spring in Kashmir is beautiful beyond words. It heralds the end of the harsh, bitter winter. The appearance of almond blossoms in Badam Wari meant that the spring was finally there in Kashmir. Sighting of almond blossoms was celebrated with much joy. A fully flowering almond or badam is a sight to behold. Old residents of the Kashmir Valley remember or recollect their prettiness with misty eyes. It is because a blooming almond tree meant the beginning of Nowreh in Kashmir. In olden times, the Kashmir Pandits celebrated it as New Year festival. The Badam Wari in Srinagar was the local hotspot for the almond blossom viewing or sighting. But unfortunately, sadly, just like peace in Kashmir, the garden also got destroyed completely. But thankfully, J&K Bank Heritage Preservation Trust took the initiative to revive Badam Wari. This popular garden was reopened for the public in 2008. The revival of Badam Wari sent waves of happiness and hopes among the Kashmiris, especially those who have seen the valley change from heaven to hell in front of their eyes. The bloom of flowers on almond trees in the sprawling historic Badamware Garden has become a hotspot of attraction for nature lovers and tourists alike. Badamwari is situated on the foothills of Hari Parvat. The 300 Canals Garden is dotted with trees, flowers, and cascades, offering a soothing experience to the visitors. Historians maintain there was no record to suggest who laid the garden, but they say it existed even before 14th century. This garden is nowadays visited by a large number of tourists and nature lovers. The aura of the garden has fragrant airs and beautiful white flowers. So, must visit Badamware Garden, the beautiful almond alcove, if you are in Kashmir Valley during spring season.